Okay, so why the heck Sonorus blow up in the last few days time from 0.03 cents all the way now to 14 cents. It went, I think, to 15, 16 cents. That is crazy, guys. That is crazy. There is a reason, okay? It's called AI music, okay? And I will show you what I did in only just a couple of minutes, okay? It's taken me 2, maybe 3 minutes time to create a song for myself, okay? The song is 20 seconds, so listen to the song. Okay, I'll place on. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Crypto fair, making moves that matter. Using crypto to help the world get better. Changing lives, reaching out to the poor. Making real difference, he's the one to adore. He's a game changer, breaking all the rules. With his crypto power.
Pretty cool, yeah? Pretty cool. So, it took me 3 minutes. 3 minutes to create this song. So that's why the price blow up, okay? So they implement, okay, AI, and if you own the node right now, what I'm owning the node, I have 2 by the way. I own 1 by myself and 1 with my team. That's how I always work. Then you can create 5 free songs a week. I'm not sure how it's going to work for the future, but at the moment, that's how it is. And the node is not expensive, it's only 850 bucks. I'm not sure how many tokens you still get. I need to check mine. I didn't check for like days and days and days, but I think it's maybe around 100, maybe less tokens. That's what you get every single day, okay? This is Sonorus. Okay, so I did few videos for that, okay? And they're amazing project, amazing, okay? So they're decentralized music voting and reward with TrendFi. They have over 250,000 downloads in Google and Apple Store, okay? What is amazing, basically you can go on Binance in Linea, you can go and buy them, as I said before. I think I didn't mention, but you can go down, you can buy on PancakeSwap, easy, Maxi and KuCoin, okay? Simple as that. So you can go and vote, you can earn some money like that, okay? Empower music on chain and earn, okay? This is amazing project, and they have a very good investors, to be honest. Q2, Q3, Q4, almost everything down, and now actually everything is down. Now they're coming to Q1 at 2024. So here is what is Sonorus. Basically it's a Grand Brown platform, leverage TrendFi to reshape and how many artists interact with the music, okay? How I can earn with Sonorus, go and read here, okay? Because you can earn with Sonorus. There is a different way of you can vote and earn some money, and also you can upload your songs, your favorite songs on Sonorus, so people can vote and all the stuff. Just go and check. This amazing project and very good community. So if you go and check their Twitter, they have 246,000 followers. All right, that is crazy, guys. I hope they follow me, by the way. Okay, that is crazy. Now, Sonorus at the moment, if you want to create the music, if you have the node, okay, go ahead, go to their Discord and just follow. It's a couple of steps. You need to verify your account that you're a node holder, and you can create your song. You can create up to 1 minute a song. You just type your text. Let's say you want to create something for Bitcoin is going to the moon, and AI is going to make for you in like only a minute. That is crazy. And you have a couple of ways of different music, okay? So you have like 2 different types of the same words. It's just amazing. Now, if you want to get the node, by the way, what you need to do is you go here, it's called DJ Node, all right? Make sure you use my code to get the node. They sold over 11,000 nodes. That is crazy, okay? Now, the price at the moment, okay, the maximum is, I think, 5,000, okay? At the moment, the price is, I think, I need to log into my Rabbi. It's 850 bucks right now, okay? So 600 bucks, it was the initial price, and 25 bucks after 10,000 are sold, going up, and now it's 850 bucks. If you want to buy the node, make sure you use my code. And also, just don't forget, nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research. This is crypto, and you can lose everything, or you can make a lot of money, as everybody making like crazy for the last few weeks time. So this is about Sonorus. Again, I did a few videos for them from many months ago when the node was not even out yet. Okay, so I'm earning tokens for many months. Did I ROI? Finally, now with the price skyrocketing, I ROI, and I'm happy bunnies, all right? I ROI, and now everything is clear profit. So my plan is now to maybe get one more node, because I love nodes, because for me, that's a passive income. Again, do whatever you want, you know, maybe buy tokens. I think I'm talking about by myself. sell for myself. Maybe I'll get more tokens on some dip and just hold them, because you never know. You know, you can create the music over there, you can list on your YouTube, you can use that music to make extra income. You know, I'm not with the music thing, but that's a way you can create, you know, 5 songs in a minute, 1 minute song, and you can create only in 3 minutes. That is crazy. Okay, all right, so that's about it. All the links will be down in the description. Make sure you check them out, okay, and let me know what you think about them. All right, thank you so much again. I love you all. Till the next one, I do I and you do you. Goodbye.